Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today's big news, we got a new project in the shed. It's well, you just saw it in the title. It's a Z50r, so it's made by Honda. It's just a small 50 cc's with a 3-speed automatic. It's a 1994, so it's pretty old. So we're basically doing a full restoration on it. So it's not just like a simple little project. It's actually going to be a full rebuild. Originally this bike is white and right now it's yellow. So that tells you how much work that needs to be done just so we can get it back to OEM specs. It's going to be a project on the long term because I want to finish the 500R before. It's not going to be done like in the next few weeks or whatever. It's going to take a couple months, but it's a project I'm really looking forward to. Here it is. Alright, so now that you've seen the bike, we're actually going to jump on it and just clean up the carb and the gas tank, put some new fuel in it, just to see if it runs. I've cranked the bike and it has some compression in it, so we're just going to have to make sure that there's some spark, there's some air, and there's some fuel, and we should be ready to go. Alright, so I just took the box off and look at that. So here's the air box before. After. We're also going to remove the boot. So this one is ready to be painted, but I'm not going to paint it tonight because there's multiple things that will need to be painted, but it's ready. The carburetor is now off. So the hoses were really hard to remove, probably because of the paint that was left on the nibbles, but pretty happy how it came out. And I'm really amazed by all the simplicity of the system. It's the first time I opened a carburetor that looks like that, and it's pretty amazing actually. So I'm going to be ordering a carburetor rebuild kit, but for now I'm just going to open it and clean it just because I want to see if the bike runs, so we'll go ahead and do that.